In this video, we're going to show you how to create a risk register through the use of Copilot AI within minutes to get from this into this, a full risk and opportunity register with descriptions, mitigating actions, contingent actions, everything you need to save you a lot of time. So what we want to do is we want to prime Copilot, or in other words, prepare Copilot to get it in the right frame of mind to get the results for this risk register that we desire. So how can we do this? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just provide a little bit of background of myself. I'm an experienced design engineer within the construction sector, 20 years experience, and we do a fair bit in the way of putting together risk and opportunity registers. So let's get this started. Excellent. So Copilot is in the right frame of mind now, so we can start to be more specific as to what we want for our project. So the next prompt that we're going to put in is we want to put together a risk and opportunity register for a project. It's a fairly simple project, a brick garage, semi-rural block. You give the location there, 10 metres long, 3 metres wide, concrete slab, brickwork, metal roof. Now, here's where we get specific. We want these columns in our risk register: the ID, description, the likelihood, impact, obviously their corresponding ratings as well, and the severity based on the likelihood and impact. We are also interested in the owner, mitigating action, and contingent action should that risk occur. Okay, let's fire away. And quite literally, it's only taken a matter of 30 seconds to produce a risk register for this project. You can see here we've got our IDs and all the columns that we desire. We can scroll down. How many risks do we have? Looks like we have 8 risks and 2 opportunities in this particular example, which is terrific. Now we want to be a bit more specific. What can be useful is to provide meeting notes to tailor the risks more specifically for this project. Now what I have done is I've taken a recording from a meeting transcript and I've put that into text. So what we'll do is we'll get the prompt ready in Copilot. Attached is a transcript from a meeting that I've had with a site manager. Please add and amend any risks and opportunities based on this conversation. So I'll attach this transcript. Now please bear in mind that it's always important before recording any conversations that you let all meeting participants know. And please also bear in mind there are laws depending on your jurisdiction as to whether you can or cannot record conversations. But if you can, and if all participants are fine, it's an excellent way in which to do this. And you can see I've created a text file for this. So let's see what happens. We'll see whether any new risks are added as a result of this meeting conversation. Okay, now notice what it says here. I've dropped in the previous soil risk and added more of a nuanced version. So it's obviously read the fact that geotechnical characteristics were added, particularly between rock and reactive soils. We've also determined through that conversation that there are council risks and also limitations in trade persons availability. So this is all very important and will no doubt make our risk register more specific for the particular job that we're after. Okay, now we only want one more thing out of Copilot, and that is we want to be able to use this information in Excel. This is a lot easier to work with. So please format this register into Excel. Let's see how we go. And within seconds, it's organized that for us. So you click on the copy, and then we can open up Excel. Here we are in Excel. So simply Control V, and here we have it. We have our 7 risks, 2 opportunities. It's been detailed according to generic, but also specific risks according to our meeting notes that we have recorded through that transcript. It's probably only taken 5 to 7 minutes to get the start of a risk register going. So now you can hit the ground running with your project. And of course, you can get in there and apply any conditional formatting based on likelihood, impacts, and severities according to your risk framework. So an excellent way to get a risk register off the ground within minutes. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe and please feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback.